Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a second Instagram account. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to log into that specific account. Okay, you gotta go to your profile right here at the bottom right. Now tap on three horizontal lines. Now tap on Account Center. Now in this section, go ahead and scroll down. Okay. Now go ahead and tap on Personal Details. In here, as you can see, we have account ownership and control. So just tap on it and tap on the activation or deletion, like so. Now go ahead and select the Instagram account. Tap on it. And in here, it's going to ask you whether you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. Okay. Just tap on delete if you want to. And it says here, deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profiles, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. If you just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate account. Okay. So hit on continue if you want to delete it and select the reason why you wanted to delete. And once that's done, hit on continue. Tap on continue. And finally, scroll down, tap on continue. And if you don't have any password in this account, it will ask you to create a password first before deleting. As when you go ahead and delete this one, okay, if you want to recover it within 30 days, okay, you'll be given a date right here. So as we're recording, it is currently December 20. Now it's going to expire in January 19. Okay, so to cancel the deletion process, you can just go ahead and log in with the email and password. Once that's done, your account will be recovered. Okay, so just hit on continue right here and just do what it says. Create your password, and once done, hit on continue, and after that, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.